Hi there, it's Liz Yuille from Old Stables Crafts. Thank you for joining me again today. Today I have got a don't forget video as well as my standard video. Don't forget the Everything is Rosy medley. Look, look! Now, these are some of the projects I've made with it. There are lots more. Some of them have gone out in the post because, you know, things need to be posted. So let's have a look first at what you get. She says, putting one of its constituent parts to one side. So there's this rose gold shimmer paint, which is just gorgeous. If you think I'm not going to be using this, I am, because it's gorgeous. The Everything is Rosy stamp set, which has got the most adorable font. I love it. Matching thinlets. Let's have a look at. So we've got this amazing border, these amazing filigree pieces, and then all of these. So basically the bottom half, with the exception of that one, the bottom half of this stamp set, you've got a die to go with it. So fantastic. And yes, I have got, probably in my stamp set, you know my trick with the Stamparatus, get yourself a template. There we go. So I've got one for the flowers, one for the leaves, because then if you're doing both, if you're doing a separate colour for each, perfect. Look at how much I've loved these. Oh, love them. This is what I've got left from the die cuts and from the mirror dots. I haven't used a huge number of the mirror dots, and you'll remember if you order this from me and you've got today to do that, I will let you have free, I'll order them up and let you have them for free, basic pearls which you can colour with the shimmer paint. It's amazing. So you end up with shimmery dots, and these are mirror dots. Now I've taken one. Can you see that there is a difference with this one here? Lovely and mirror-y, in rose gold, and I've got the separate. I've taken the backer off, so you have, otherwise you have to crack this, and I thought, hang on, I might be able to do something with that, and I don't want to crack it. So this is a combination of bits I've die cut and little bits of paper, little bits of ribbon, but the labels and the die cuts. So there are die cuts in colour. There are labels with the rose gold surround. There are die cuts in rose gold. It's just amazing. And this one, you can pop out the little piece, and this ribbon fits through. So you can have it on a ribbon. It's so lovely. So that's those bits. And then you also get two ribbons. So Night of Navy and rose gold edged, metallic edged, which is amazing, and then a small ruffled melon mambo, so pretty, and then the papers and the rose gold foil. Now I have made, you'll see in a minute, a number of projects I've made with this in a relatively short period of time, and look at what I've got left. So rose gold, you get 8 sheets of the rose gold in 6x6, so that's the equivalent of 2 sheets of 12x12, and then you get 48 sheets of this amazing paper that might as well be one-sided, because frankly, why would you want to use that when you can use that? But look at all this paper I've got left. It's just amazing how far it all, look at that, how far it all goes. Stunning. So what have I made that I've still got? I have posted some stuff out, because I do post my cards out, and I've posted out to a sister demonstrator and to one of the folk from the Stamping Up head office who I met last week. I have posted out a card to each of them because they were amazing at this particular event I was at. So, is this everything I've got left? I think so. So, let's start with, now let's come back to that one. Let's start with this one. So this is one of our mini pizza boxes, and I've used lots of the ribbon. These are, it's beginning to get a little tatty because I'm keeping it in a box. These are the rose gold pearls, as in pearls that I've turned rose gold. Then I sprayed the pizza box with 70% rubbing alcohol and the rose gold shimmer paint to get rose gold mist. And then inside, with our 3x3 envelopes, I have made little cards. They're really simple, really straightforward. It's just tiny bits of paper, die cuts, using the scallop layering die cuts, square scallop layering die cuts, and I've got the flap of the envelope to match. So really pretty. These I coloured with one of these Stampin' Right markers, and I can't remember which. Oh no, I coloured them with the yes, Stampin' Right markers, not blends. I was thinking blends, but they weren't. They were Stampin' Right markers, and you just wipe off where you don't want it. So easy. So that's that little box of goodies, and of course you can gift that to somebody, and I probably will be. Don't know who yet, but someone will probably get this. A dear friend probably will get it. So that's that. This is a cutaway card, so you can see, I guess, that it's cut away. And I've used some of the mirror dots. And this, which I will do a tutorial on, is a star album. So again, lots of the papers. Basically, I've used it as a feature for each of the papers, just to show them off. So really fun. It's a really easy album to make, and then you can just tie it together with your ribbon. So as I say, really easy, really straightforward. And then don't think you have to use Night of Navy and Melon Mambo. So this is So Saffron and Crumb Cake, and possibly, I think there may be some Sahara Sand in there, but really pretty. And then I've also stamped on the inside. So yes. So if you would like this, don't hang about. Just pop over to my online store. It's linked immediately below this video with this item. And you have until the end, I want to say 10 o'clock today, as in 10 p.m. But frankly, get it now, because it's lovely. So, thank you very much. And I shall see you again soon. Bye!